Alright, I got this Munchkin diaper pail here. As you can see, the lid doesn't shut all the way. So we're going to try to resolve that issue today. There's something to do with this. Alright, I got the issue. Figured out. Nice and sealed. More stinky doo-doo running around. So the issue is back here. Somebody closed it so hard to where it shifted it out of place. So I don't know if you can see in here. Somewhere, I think it's right there. Pretty much this little peg right here got picked up to right here to where it had about a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch gap. So what I did is I just unscrewed everything. Still couldn't get it apart. So pretty much just started rough handling it. And I broke the 2 little tabs that were in this section right here to where I can slide it back down into place. And hey, it's good as new.